Welcome to my gig. I will do photorealistic and cinematic 3D animation. Professional 3D animation. Our studio is the source for creative storytelling and video marketing solutions. We inject the heart, humor, passion, and purpose of brands into animated videos that drive marketing goals. Our portfolio of 250 plus stories include Storyline, general features of animation, amazing animation, the best quality, price balance on Fiverr, any complexity of movements, dancing, fighting, doing anything, talking with emotions and lip synchronization, various backgrounds suitable for marketing, animation, high quality visualization, NFT, and game engines, etc.